You can see the strength of this surface tension trying to minimize the energy when you just put a string on a soap film. When there's soap film on both sides, the pressures equal out and there's not one side pulling harder than the other. But if you pop the soap film in the middle of the string, then the outside pulls on it more than the inside, and it pulls it into a perfect circle. If you get 2 loops on your string, it makes it 2 perfect circles. And when you get 3D objects, it's a little harder to predict what the minimal surface would be. For example, here's a cube that we dip in a soap film. What would you predict? Would it just be 8 surfaces on the sides of the cube that'll have flat planes on there? Or will it be something different? Well, let's dip it in and see what happens. Look at that. There's a square in the middle of it. So it doesn't just want to form a surface on each of the faces of the cube here, but it actually wants to combine together and form a little square in the middle there. So actually, in order to minimize the area of this, you can see on each face of the cube, there's 4 surfaces that connect to the inner square in there.